Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got some corned beef. This is a product called Palm. I got some jalapenos. These are from Mexico. I got some eggs. I got some cheese. And I got some olive oil. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm going to make a killer hash and eggs using Palm corned beef, which I got at Costco, El Mexicano jalapenos. Watch and learn. It's going to be delicioso. Check it out. All right, this is medium. Put a good amount of olive oil on. Let's get that Palm corned beef down. It's already cooked. We're just going to heat it up. All right, let's bust this up. What's nice about this, as you can see, it's got some nice big chunks. There's a big chunk right there. All right, let's add some of these jalapenos. It depends on how spicy you like it. These are going to lend it some la-la-lu. Break everything up. Let this just heat up a little. Little pepper. It's all the seasoning we need. While that's cooking, we're just going to beat these eggs just a little and add them in a few minutes. All right. Told you it was fast, simple, and easy. There's those eggs. Put those babies down. Mix this all up. Incorporate these eggs. Now we're going to add that cheese. All right. We're going to incorporate the cheese and get it melted. When this is melted, this is ready. I got some toast going, and we'll serve this up. Take a look at it. Meet you over at the counter. All right, there's a close-up. Look how good that looks. Ooh, I can't wait for a big bite. Mike tries these two products, and I made a killer hash and eggs with some jalapeno. Big bite coming up. There it is. It's hot from the heat. Let's see if it's hot from the jalapeno. There. Oh, look at that. Try it. Oh my God, I swallowed it. This hash is delicious. Corned beef comes from New Zealand. Let's try it with a little toast. Bring it up there. Put that baby right there. Oh, it's... When you cook the jalapenos with the cheese, they kind of calm down a little. The fat from the corned beef needs that little break from the jalapeno. That's the sweet babu. It's called Palm. Check it out. I got mine at Costco. I'm sure they have a website, Made in New Zealand. The jalapenos, right across the border, El Mexicano. Great way to start the day. Get your protein loaded up. Get a little spark from that jalapeno. Get you moving. That one fell. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and on my socials. Keep living life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hi. And El Mexicano. Let this simmer. Not simmer. It's going to be delicioso, like I said. That one was hot. Wow. I'm not kidding this time. That was a sweet babu. That's pretty good. Baba.